So according to our trusty sources, Deals Drone and Osita LV, it seems like there is a new Mavic 3 in the horizon, the Mavic 3 Pro, and this does not look cheap. But let's take a look at the leaked images. But I also want to say that this is not confirmed by DJI. These are only leaks provided by Deals Drone and Osita LV on Twitter, and these are images found and provided by these leakers. So let's take a look at the recent photos here. On the first image here, we can see that the Mavic 3 Pro has the same body as the other Mavic 3 drones. But what really stands out is the triple camera. So back in August 2022, Osita LV tweeted the following. As we can see, the new Mavic 3 SE has 3 cameras. It means installing 3 cameras on a Mavic body isn't a problem. So what if they made a Super Cup on the Mavic 3 Consumer Series with a Micro Four Third 24mm wide-angle lens and a 1-inch 50mm and a 1/2-inch 160mm telescope lens? Because footage looks rough when using 2 or 3 times zoom. There has not been confirmed what type of lenses we'll see in the Mavic 3 Pro yet, but we'll most likely see the same as we have in the Mavic 3 Standard and the Mavic 3 Cine Premium version, but with the added 1-inch or maybe something similar. And we will most likely see the same battery as we have in the other Mavic 3 drones, with a flight time up to 46 minutes and maybe even closer to 50 minutes. Now, according to the leaked images, we can also see that this is going to be shipped with a DJI RC controller and later probably sold as a standalone drone for those already having the DJI RC or the DJI RC N1 or the DJI RC Pro controller. But this will most likely be delayed after the release of the Mavic 3 Pro, so if you want a drone alone, you will have to wait a little bit longer. And as for the specs, there is no confirmed leaks at this point, but I assume that it won't take long before we see the entire spec sheet leaked on Twitter. So there you have the latest drone leaks of the yet to be announced Mavic 3 Pro. I'm sure it will be priced on the upper end and maybe become the new flagship from DJI if they decide to add the same 1TB storage and the ProRes as we see in the Cine Premium model. So that wraps it up with the latest leaks from Twitter of the Mavic 3 Pro. Let me know your thoughts down below and I will catch you in the next video.